These are some positions we want to send to members of the public on issues concerning the Rivers State polity. Number one, we passed a vote of confidence on the Martins Amewule-led assembly as the only authentic assembly in Rivers State. We also want to call the attention of the EFCC on issues that border on the 4 billion counterpart funding meant for youth empowerment in Rivers State, which the youth are yet to receive. But on the pages of media, we are seeing how some persons are saying the governor has done so well, and yet the youth are yet to receive these stipends to support business. Leadership is leadership. You cannot be running a few-person show, family affair, and you expect that Rivers Youth should clap for you. We also want to call on the governor to represent the 2025 appropriation bill before the rightly recognized constituted assembly led by Martins Chike Amewule. And we want to give a 14 days ultimatum to the commissioners which are conniving with the governor and spending our resources illegally without appropriation. We are calling on them within 14 days to resign and apologize to Rivers people. Else, we will speak to the relevant authorities, we will seek justice from relevant authorities, even going to court and inviting the EFCC to scrutinize them. They have now 14 days to do so. It is no longer news that almost all organizations in Rivers State have been factionalized by this current administration led by our own governor, Sibinare Fubara, from the Rivers State Assembly to the local government, even when the House of Assembly said, since election has not been done properly, extension of local government is a known law. Even a few days ago in Imo State, Abia State, thank you, they extended their tenure. Have you not been so? But the governor has gone ahead to run a one-man show. I want to use this opportunity to call on the law enforcement agencies to arrest and prosecute a certain person known as Oko Jumbo, parading himself as the Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly when he lacks the local standing to operate in that capacity. All of this an artist of Governor Fubara to cause disunity and retrogress. We reject in its totality the antics of Governor Fubara to use taxpayers' money to cause division in the leadership of the National Youth Council of Nigeria. We remain one and united and focused youth organization who will not sell our birthright on the dining table of porridge, but will continue to stand by the rule of law. Thank you for standing by the rule of law on the crisis of Rivers State. We shall continue to speak. We are calling on the national PDP leadership to immediately suspend and expel Governor Fubara from the PDP because of his antics to continually divide the party. For if the national party leadership do not see to this, PDP may cease to enjoy the support of Rivers youth, may cease to enjoy the support of Nigerian youth in Rivers State in the forthcoming election. Enough of this impunity. Rivers youth vehemently stand by the rule of law, and we shall not condone anything that threatens our nascent democracy. Anything that threatens the peace and development of Rivers State and in Nigeria at large. We will remain peaceful to ensure that this war of rule of law is won. Are you going to allow 2 or 3 persons spend Rivers money without appropriation bill? No. So therefore, we have given to peace, preach peace, canvass peace. Let the Rivers State government not take Rivers youth for granted. In the forthcoming days, we shall consult with relevant authorities and take decisive actions on these positions, because we are going to match our words with actions. And the world will know that rule of law is the only way for sustainable development in the country. God bless you all, and thank you for coming. I am the Senator from Mr. Baribali, the Chairman National Youth Council of Nigeria, and the leader of the Management Committee meeting in Rivers State. Thank you, and God bless you.